Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? So let me put my earphone to the charging case, and now I will close the case. So let's check it. We can go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and right here we have connection. But I use only one earphone. If it disconnected, it will move from save devices. On my Android I have stock Android, and it depends, let's say on Realme, under your earbuds you have information in use when it's connected and no information when it's disconnected. Maybe you have similar path, or you have the information near to your earbuds. So my short answer is yes, you can do this, but you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both your earbuds with one device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.